In this video, we will review how to issue an alert using Navigate. Once you are logged into Navigate, locate the Actions menu on the right-hand side and select Issue an Alert. A dialog box will appear where you will type in the student's name or ID number. Next, select a reason for the alert. Please note that multiple reasons can be selected, and each department established to provide services that address that reason will be notified once the alert is submitted. Next, you can select the class that the alert is associated with if that is relevant. If not, you can leave it blank. Finally, you can type in any additional comments that will be important for personnel to know when responding to the alert, and then click the Submit button. You can view the status of alerts by scrolling down to the bottom of the screen to the box that says My Issued Alerts. For each alert, you will see the issue date, student name, reasons for the alert, if the case or alert is open or closed, and if a progress report is associated with the alert. To see the notes from a particular case or alert, click on the box that says Open Cases. A box will appear showing you the status and outcome of each alert sent.